Hello, my name is Roman, and this is Fusion 360, the basics for beginners. And on this part, we're going to be showcasing the Combine and Scale tool. So very quickly, the scale tool allows you to select an entity, whether that be a body or a sketch, and redefine its size by either custom measurements by just sliding this bar back and forward, making it smaller, or by scale measurements. So you can also select a certain point to uh, increase its size by. So if you're selecting it from over here, it'll be from over there, or selecting it from down here, it'll be from down there. So this is helpful for more than one angled 3D prints, especially since not all of them are going to be with the same body. Since, like I said before, you can combine things together. So the Combine tool allows us to combine separate bodies. Copy and paste another dice into the field. So just get those close up. So these two dice are touching, but they are separate bodies still. So just by selecting Combine and selecting two bodies, or the two bodies you want to combine together, you can join them together. So just like this, we have our weird 10, 4, 8, 6-sided weird dice. So instead of going from one dice or two dices next to each other, we have our weird combined dice. For a more practical sense or use of this tool, we could be combining together either a figurine's arm or multiple pieces that you have for a robot jointed together, so you could see how it actually looks. Of course, all strung up together. So this right here is a very unpractical use of that, when in reality it would be much more practical. Yep. So as far as the modify section goes, the only other thing is the offset face tool, which is only for just like it's basically the push press pull tool. Uh, Provides some interesting effects, but much more just like it brings things up and adds more volume to certain size, and this can work on curves as well. So if you would like to do a curve with it, it'll work just like as that. And just like with before, uh, I don't have the proper setup for this one, of course, but the replace face allows you to replace one or more faces with different faces, so you can swap them over or swap them next to each other. And split face is the same as split body, which is splitting objects in two using the way that they are aligned in sketches. So that's about it for the modify section. As far as assembling and joints going, these will not be used in this tutorial, since this is mostly for modeling. Thank you for joining me. My name is Roman, and this has been Fusion 360 for beginners.